life results. Hindi pwedeng mag-coach about success ang hindi successful. The life you live should reflect the message you preach. Bakit ang daming coaches pero hindi makita sa buhay? Alam mo, merong isang Bible verse na palaging nagre-remind sa akin. Matthew 7:16 said, "By their fruits you shall know them." At ano nga ba ang fruits of the Spirit? Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control, according sa Galatians. And personally, that became my filter whenever I listen to coaches and mentors kasi marami sa kanila self-righteous. Kaya, etong mga tanong. Filter number 1, life results. Hindi pwedeng mag-coach about success ang hindi successful. The life you live should reflect the message you preach. Filter number 2, values. Do they actually carry the fruits listed above? Or just talk about them on stage? Kasi maraming motivational coaches alam lahat ng mga tamang konsepto. Pero dito sa dalawang filter na ito, out na. Hindi na makita sa buhay. But wait, this is not to disqualify you if you want to be a coach, a mentor, or a speaker. This is simply a call for self-accountability. Ako mismo, hindi rin naman ako perpekto. I'm still working on myself. But the same standards that I show you is the same standards I set for myself. So this is a call for accountability because accountability must make us more humble, more caring, and not be more self-righteous. Because if you're out here feeling superior, feeling you know better than everyone else on how to treat people, maybe I want you to start to look in the mirror first. Did you pass the 2-filter test? Because your fruit doesn't lie.